It's time for the Twin Telepathy Slime Challenge. Okay, so today we have a guest. It's my friend Annabelle.
I'm back.
We made Wookiee cookies together last time. How long ago was that? May 4th, wasn't it? Was it May the 4th? It was May the 4th and Better Bowl Day. Comment down below if you know which video we're talking about.
Because we clearly can't remember.
So here's how the Twin Telepathy Challenge is going to work. I'm going to wear this blindfold while she picks one of the items on the table. And then I'm going to take my blindfold off, and then we're both going to say 1, 2, 3, and then say the item that we picked.
Yep.
And I have to pick an item that I think she's going to pick, and then we'll switch. Does that make sense?
Hopefully.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell, just like our friend Max. You know who I'm talking about. It's you, Max.
Did you finish your math homework? Pretty hard, wasn't it? Don't be watching this video until all of your homework is done. Seriously, kids, do your homework, get your grades up.
Woo! Anyways, the first round will be containers. It's either a plastic bag or a bowl. All right, Annabelle, you choose your thing. And I'll try and guess what it is.
Okay, so I choose. Okay, but you can take your blindfold off.
Okay,
Ready? 3, 2, 1, bowl!
yes!
Yes,
got a point.
I get a point. Round 2, white glue or clear glue. Okay, I'm gonna put the mask on.
Okay. All right, you can take it off.
Okay.
3, 2, 1, white.
Oh,
I get another point. Okay, now we gotta pour it in. Just like about
Just
that
maybe
much
enough to clear.
to fill the bottom.
Yeah, to cover the bottom of it. I think I put a little too much. Oops.
There we go.
That's okay.
Is that good?
Bye bye glue.
All right, round 3.
Three.
Food coloring.
Green, yellow, or blue. Okay, so the color I'm choosing is this one. It's so pretty. Okay. Okay, everybody can take your mask off.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, yellow.
Yes! What? Whoa!
Oh, it looks so cool.
That looks so cool.
Okay, I think that's good for me. So there's my color. Round 4. So we're gonna do borax or contact solution.
Alrighty.
I keep doing that.
You pick this one. Alright.
3, 2, 1, contact solution. Yay!
Yes.
That's our first point!
Yes! Twins, right there. See? Said it at the same time.
See, you can
We're
apart.
We're practically twins.
That looks so cool.
Moving on to round 5.
For this round, we're gonna do some shaving cream or no shaving cream.
Yeah, kind of simple.
Okay, I choose. Okay, everybody, you can take it off. 3, 2, 1,
Yes! Yes! I've never tried clear glue with shaving cream.
Yeah, I think it'll be cool.
Yeah.
What if it turns out pearly? Because like,
Ooh,
that would be so cool. Okay, shake, 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 shake. So don't.
Oh, mine's turning green.
Hey, mine is too. This looks cool.
Ew, look at this.
Okay, I can kind of touch it, but it's still sticky, so that's perfect. That's just what we want.
Round number 6. Foam balls.
I'm ready.
Okay, this is gonna be hard.
Okay, can I take it off?
Yes. Okay, ready? Okay.
That one. Okay, ready?
3, 2, 1, white. Oh!
That was so fun. Wait, I just have to have a few. They're little disco balls. and
Yeah.
You can't skip on the disco balls. Guys, look, that's so cool.
That is so pretty.
Whoa.
Whoa, it's so pearly. I think I might have have to get in here with my hands.
It's gonna be crunchy.
Yes, I love crunchy slime.
Comment down below what your favorite slime is.
I'm gonna dip my hands in.
Dude, look at this. I love
love this slime.
So pretty.
It looks like cereal.
It honestly does. Like,
I think
with
I'm gonna
expired
add
milk.
Yeah.
Cereal with expired milk.
Ready, listen.
Oh, it's especially kind of like fluffy and crunchy because of the shaving cream we decided to add earlier.
Round number 7.
Yay!
Woo!
Your
So
turn.
we have rubber bands, eyeballs, or what are these called? Beads. Rubber bands, eyeballs, and beads. Beads. Rubber bands, eyeballs, and beads. Beads.
Take your blindfold off.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Rubber bands. No!
It worked.
Ah, dang it!
That means I got a point, right?
Yeah, you got a point!
Yes! Is that like my second
Go,
point?
Annabelle! Go, Annabelle!
Second
Go,
one.
Annabelle!
3 greens, sparkly blue ones. Actually, maybe a few more because I love them. So weird. That looks kind of like a Halloween slime because it's got like purple and green in it.
Yeah.
I like that one.
Okay, guys, listen.
Yeah.
Listen to this.
ASMR. And green. Just listen to what else I said. Ava! I'm an ASMR. Queen. This looks pretty cool. Mine looks really cool too. Seriously? Do we really have to talk like this for the rest of the video? Last round, and this is the glitter round.
Yes.
So we're gonna do this confetti glitter. Gold, it's really pretty. And this confetti. And baby glitter.
It's baby glitter.
I'm ready, Ava.
Okay.
Do it.
Okay. I'm going to choose this one. Okay. 3, 2, 1, gold. Oh! I tricked you! I got another point. Comment down below which one of us is the winner because we were not keeping track. Ooh, this one is really pretty in
I'm gonna add some of this to mine as well. Ooh, that's a lot of pink. That one actually looks really cool up against those colors.
Yeah.
Doesn't it? This has got to be my favorite glitter, this one right here. Yes. Green.
Oh, that was really pretty.
In the middle.
Dogs, be quiet.
Awesome. I'm like trying to talk and they're like,
You can't have this glitter, Macy.
no, it's not food.
It's not good for you.
She has
You eat
glitter
it,
on
you
her
will die.
face.
She does?
Oh, just a little. Awesome. Look at that.
This might be the craziest slime I've ever made.
Yeah, me too. Mix. Look, you can see the glitter.
Oh, whoa. That is so pretty.
Listen to mine, it's so crunchy.
Comment down below which slime you like better.
You like mine.
No, you like mine.
You like mine.
Sound?
ASMR. Who sounds better?
Yeah.
Okay, here's mine.
All right, I get it, Annabelle, you win. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell like our friend Max.
Is that homework done?
All right. All right, see you guys next time. Ava out.
Bye.
And Annabelle.